it's Nia Deru, and I'm back with another video. For those of you that are already subscribed, thank you for being a supporter, and for those of you that are new, go ahead and join the team and just click that button below and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit the like button. So today I have before you, I will call this a quarantine nail video. I usually don't use the glue that comes with the nails, and I usually get the Kiss glue. I like that better. It tends to hold a little bit stronger, so my nails last a little longer. So yeah, this nail kit it's a little different from the other ones that I've had in the past. I never had those what do you call those, the little stickies. I've never had the stickies in them, but this one I do. So here I just went ahead and I sized my fingers off camera, and then it's pretty much self-explanatory. Pushing my cuticles back, and I came across these nails. I went to the hair store. No, was it the hair store? No, I was in Walmart. I was in Walmart grabbing some groceries, and I was like, let me slide on over to the nail section. And I saw these. I thought they were cute. They were different. They were actually like the cutest ones over there. I guess everybody had the same idea, and they took the other ones, so I didn't get to see the other selections, but out of the ones that were left, I really like these. So I was like, yeah, let's give this a try. So on this part, when I was, oh yeah, go ahead and drop a comment. So when I was putting the stickies on wasn't hard. It was getting the little plastic off so that the other sticky side was exposed. At one point I had to grab the tweezers and pull them off, but I don't think I showed that on here. So yeah, what I did for each nail was I just put the sticky on there, and then I put the glue, because the reason why I put the sticky on is because I thought that it would provide, extra security along with the glue. But what I shortly found out, go ahead and subscribe, as you can see. What I quickly found out was that, once I started doing dishes or whatever, they started lifting quicker. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and take the stickies off of the two nails that came off. And so I took them off, and out of the two nails that came off, I took the sticky part off and I just put the glue on, and that's actually holding better. It was trial and error. I never tried it before, so now I know for next time if the nail set comes with those little and I cannot think of the proper name, so they're gonna be called those sticky things for now. So I know for next time, if the nail kit comes with those stickies, I will not put the stickies on. You know what I'm saying? But I had fun doing these nails. They're really cute, little glitz, little glam, quarantine glam. But my favorite part about them, I would say the color. I really, really love that color on my skin tone. I've never had that color before. So when I do go back to the nail shop, I'll do that color. So thanks for watching. Thank you guys for being here and supporting once again. For those of you that are new, thank you for stopping by and making it this far. I love you guys. Bye.